Did you know that 80% of people who start the gym quit within the first 5 months? Lack of a strategic plan leads many beginners to abandon their fitness goals. But what if you had a simple routine that kept you motivated and confident from day one? Stick around, because today we're unveiling a seamless gym plan designed specifically for you, whether you're stepping onto the gym floor for the first time or looking for guidance. Let's face it, walking into a gym can be incredibly intimidating. It's a whirlwind of weights clanging, gym goers bustling, and an overwhelming number of machines. You enter with good intentions, but without a plan, you quickly feel out of place. That's the conundrum for beginners. Having a structured routine isn't just about knowing what to do each day. It's about building confidence, making the most of your time, and working out without risking injury. Many beginners face the same roadblocks: intimidation from seasoned lifters, puzzlement over what exercises to do, and the inconsistency that comes with a lack of direction. Imagine this. I once spent my entire first gym session wandering aimlessly between the machines, too embarrassed to acknowledge my lack of know-how. But there's a breakthrough. A strategic plan is your entry to the gym world, its confidence and knowledge acting as a compass to navigate this new terrain. Enter the beginner gym routine, a holistic approach that targets every muscle group while building firm foundational strength. Our key to a successful beginner workout includes an invigorating warm-up, fundamental strength-building exercises, and soothing cool-downs. We kick off with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up. Boost your circulation with a brisk walk on the treadmill or a stationary cycle. This doesn't just prepare your muscles, but also mentally gears you up for the workout ahead. The main workout spans 30 to 40 minutes, starting with squats as our base for lower body strength. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. For these, begin with only body weight to perfect your form, and incrementally add dumbbells as you improve. Moving to upper body exercises, the dumbbell chest press awaits. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, focusing on smooth and controlled movement. The core can't be overlooked. Plank it up. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds in 3 rounds. The plank fortifies the core and readies you for more advanced exercises down the line. Wrap up with a cardio finisher, 5 to 10 minutes of light jogging or brisk walking. Remember, you don't need excessive cardio to see results. Ending the routine is just as crucial as starting it. Devote 5 minutes to a cool down, stretching key muscle groups. This ensures proper recovery and muscle health. The steps are straightforward, but their value immense. Remember, start slow, focus on technique, and disregard the comparison trap. Your journey is unique. The secret sauce? Consistency. It doesn't matter how much weight you lift or the duration spent sweating. It's about showing up regularly and seeing incremental progresses, then reveling in each win. Consider someone like Sarah, who took up this precise routine. 3 months transformed her entirely. She fostered strength and confidence unparalleled, lifting weights she once deemed impossible. Even on her off days, she persisted, a testament to the power and pride in progress. In a wrap-up, this beginner gym routine is your toolkit to forge strength, consistency, and to craft an enjoyable fitness regimen. From warming up, executing full-body exercises, to winding down, these steps will guide you across the fitness terrain. Remember, transformation doesn't occur overnight. Patience and trust in the process are vital. Fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. And every step forward is a victory. Curious about this routine? Have you given it a go or faced hurdles in your fitness journey? Drop a comment below. If you're set to embark on this powerful fitness adventure, hit subscribe, tap that like button, and share this video with a friend ready to join you. Let's build a community that empowers each other on this remarkable journey. Let's thrive and evolve together. Your challenge begins now. Empowerment lies in starting today. So why wait? Let's unlock the best version of ourselves through consistency and strength.